Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear children, before starting my story, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you like my story, do comment and share with your friends too. Jazakallah khaira. Do you know what is Islam and who are the Muslims? Come on, let's learn how to preach our deen. Islam simply means to achieve peace. Peace with Allah, peace with oneself, peace with God, peace with oneself, and peace with the creations of God, through wholly giving oneself to God and accepting His guidance. You know, Islam is not a new faith. Muslims believe that it is the same truth that God revealed through all His prophets to every people. Let me share with you the very interesting fact. You know, for a fifth of the world's population, Islam is not just a personal religion, but a complete way of life. Muslims come from all races, nationalities, and cultures across the globe. They have varied languages, foods, dress, and customs. Even the way they practice Islam sometimes may differ. That's okay, I think. We should respect each other's opinions, their styles, and the way they pray. It can be a little bit different, so respect each other. Yet, they all consider themselves to be Muslim. Islam is a qualitative term, the quality of accepting God's supreme authority above one's own. As such, being a Muslim does not mean having to give up one's culture or traditions. Rather, it means adopting the simple and logical principles of Islam to better one's life and attain peace. Less than 15% of Muslims live in the Arab world. A fifth are found in sub-Saharan Africa, and the world's largest Muslim community is in Indonesia. Don't forget to Google Indonesia and Indonesian Muslims. You'll definitely enjoy. Substantial parts of Asia and almost all the Central Asian republics are Muslim. Significant Muslim minorities are found in China, India, Russia, Europe, North America, and South America. I hope you find this content informative yet entertaining. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to comment, most welcome. I'll enjoy your comment too. Jazakallah khaira. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.